Looking for a high-performance electric bike without breaking the bank? In 2025, budget e-bikes are better than ever, offering powerful motors, long battery life, and smooth rides. In this video, we're breaking down the best budget electric bikes of 2025, helping you find the perfect ride for your needs. VARUN electric bike. Foldable, versatile, and powerful. The VARUN electric bike is a foldable and portable e-bike that combines power and convenience. It features a peak 750-watt motor, allowing you to reach speeds of 20+ miles per hour, while the 48-volt removable battery gives you a range of up to 50 miles per charge. The 21-speed gear system ensures a smooth ride on hills and city roads, while the dual hydraulic suspension absorbs bumps for a comfortable ride. If you need an easy-to-store e-bike for commuting and adventure, this is a top pick. Check the description for the latest deals. Jasion EB5. Reliable and affordable commuter e-bike. The Jasion EB5 is the perfect commuter e-bike, featuring a 500-watt peak brushless motor and a 360-watt-hour removable battery that delivers 40 miles of range per charge. With a 7-speed gear system, front fork suspension, and 26-inch tires, it offers a smooth and stable ride on both city streets and light trails. The top speed of 20 miles per hour makes it great for urban travel, while the lightweight design ensures easy handling. If you want an affordable e-bike with a balance of power and practicality, this is a great choice. Find the best pricing in the description. Jasion EBX. High-performance budget e-mountain bike. For those who love off-road adventures, the Jasion EBX is a powerful electric mountain bike with an 850-watt peak brushless motor. It reaches speeds of up to 25 miles per hour, and the 450-watt-hour removable battery provides a maximum range of 55 miles, making it ideal for long rides on trails and rough terrains. The 21-speed front suspension system ensures smooth handling on different surfaces, while its rugged build and powerful motor make it an excellent budget-friendly e-mountain bike. Check out the link in the description. Funhang electric bike. Fat tire beast for adventure riders. If you need a powerful and rugged e-bike, the Funhang electric bike delivers peak 1,000-watt motor power, reaching speeds of up to 25 miles per hour with a 60-mile range per charge. It features 26-inch fat tires, making it perfect for sand, snow, and rough terrains. The 48-volt 13-amp-hour removable battery offers extended rides, while the rear rack and turn signals add extra convenience and safety. If you want an affordable, high-powered electric bike for all terrains, this is the one for you. Find the latest pricing in the description. ESKUTE electric bike. Lightweight city commuter bike. The ESKUTE electric bike is a 500-watt peak motor e-bike designed for urban commuting and daily rides. It comes with a 36-volt, 10.4-amp removable battery, delivering 40 miles of range on a single charge. The 7-speed gear system allows for smooth shifting, while the front suspension system ensures a comfortable ride on city streets. If you need an affordable, reliable, and eco-friendly city commuter bike, the ESKUTE is a great option. Check the description for exclusive offers. Whether you need a foldable commuter e-bike, a powerful off-road electric mountain bike, or an affordable city ride, there's a budget e-bike for everyone in 2025. Which e-bike would you choose? Let us know in the comments. Don't forget to watch the full video now and check the description for links to all the featured electric bikes.